First of all, Microsoft Office is now known as Microsoft 365, so start getting used to that name. And did you know that there's a way to get Microsoft 365 for free? That's right, you can get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Teams, all for free. On today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to sign up for this free version and start using the software right away. It only takes a few steps and it's very easy to do. Stick around until the end and I'll show you the additional ways to get Office for free from your school and even from your job. This is Jesse Sanchez with Ultra Tech. Let's get started. To get started, open your favorite web search engine such as Google and let's search for Microsoft 365 for free. Let's select the first option, and once the page loads, click on Sign Up for Free. Follow the steps to finish setting up your account, such as choosing your date of birth, your password, and confirm your email address. Once these steps are done, we unlock access to the office.com portal. Here we can begin using the web versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook with a 15 gig mailbox, Microsoft Teams with up to 60 minutes of meeting time, OneDrive with 5 gigs of cloud storage, and OneNote, all for free. Let's click on Word and we can see the web version of Word loads, which can let us type all of our documents with tons of features. These documents are also saved automatically to the OneDrive cloud account that we get for free. If we click on Excel, we can create a new spreadsheet or use a template to get started fast. We get all the features even the paid versions get on the Excel web version. You need to do a presentation? No problem. We can also get Microsoft PowerPoint to start designing our presentation all directly from our web browser and with no installation required. Some of the other things we get will be saving files to the cloud with OneDrive. And if we click on storage, we see that automatically we get 5 gigs for free. This is great if you don't need too much storage and save the occasional documents here and there. What's awesome with this is that you can share your documents with other users and you can both collaborate on the same documents at the same time. Isn't that great? If you want to meet with clients, colleagues, or friends and family, you can use Microsoft Teams for free with a limited set of 60-minute meetings. The free version does not allow you to install Office locally on your computers. And if you click on the Install Office icon at the top right, it tells us that we need to use the premium features. We also get a limited amount of cloud storage, with the limit being at 5 gigs compared to 50 gigs or even 100 gigs depending on which version we choose if we get one of the paid versions. But even with these cons, I still think the free version does enough to take care of any emergencies for school, work, or whatever you need to do to write papers, spreadsheets, present, or even collaborate in real time. There are other free versions that will give you more features, such as letting you download the apps to your computer. If you are a student or a teacher and your school participates in Microsoft's Office 365 education program, you can get all those apps for free. Let's go to Google and search for Microsoft 365 free for students. Let's click on the link where it says free Microsoft Office 365 for schools and students. Here you can enter your school's .edu email address to see if your school is participating in the program. After I enter my email with a .edu address, I get redirected to sign into my school sign-on page. And as you can see, it says I have a license of Office 365 education. As you can also see, now I can click on Install Office as well as access the web version of the apps, just like on the free version that we saw previously. You may also have an Office license assigned by your job. To check if you have access, simply go to office.com and enter your work email address. Here, you will have access to all your work documents, web applications, and you can also install the apps locally. I hope you have enjoyed this video and have been able to provide you with valuable information on how to get Microsoft 365 for free. If you want to know the basics of Microsoft 365, check out my guide on our channel, or if you have a business, check out the business videos I have done to help set up a custom email domain for your business. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more free tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out.